I'm sure you guys remember this ceiling fan from about a year ago.
So then we have this one in my cousin's room. It's also on low and it has a screwed up fan chain. It's on. I don't like the lights on these, they're really ugly. So the fan chain you can't pull down, you have to pull sideways.
It's broken.
Yeah, it's broken. There's high.
Alright, well anyways, you might remember that fan. It's installed in my cousin's bedroom, and that's actually one of 3 Harbor Breeze Armitages that they have installed in their house, one in each of the bedrooms, as well as a Harbor Breeze Lansing in the dining room. There'll be a video link in the description, or a link in the description, whatever you want to call it, of that video that was shot in January of 2019. Well, back in February, specifically February 23rd, I got this picture as a text message from my cousin. Well, anyways, yeah, it broke. Not exactly sure how, but her explanation was the blade literally just fell off. Although I wouldn't doubt it, because by far that fan was the most beat up out of the 3. The blades had already been bent up for a while. They weren't bent up in the video you saw, but they had been bent up from stuff hitting it. But yeah, it literally fell off and they threw it out. Not the fan, but the blade. And if you notice, that room was kind of pink and orange. It's been like that for 8-9 years now. They recently painted the room, and they're painting all 3 of the rooms, and they are replacing the ceiling fans. They've already replaced that one because obviously the Armitage broke. I don't know the model name, but it's some Hunter. It's a newer Hunter fan. I'll put a photo in. I don't remember what the model name is called, but I will insert a photo here of hers, which is now installed in the new bedroom. Not the new bedroom, but the repainted bedroom. And they bought 2 other ones. I think they're going to put one in the living room, too, which didn't have one. But yeah, I don't remember the model name. If she texts me back soon enough, I'll put it in, but I don't remember what the model name was called. But yeah, this is what the newer Hunter fan that they have looks like.